Are you awake? Inside your dreams. Imagine this, you're flying over a glowing city skyline. You feel the wind, the thrill, the complete freedom, and suddenly, you realize something astonishing. You're dreaming. But you're not just watching it unfold. You're in control. This isn't fantasy. It's called lucid dreaming. And it's more real and more accessible than most people realize. Whether you're here because of curiosity or because strange things happen in your sleep, you're about to unlock one of the mind's most powerful frontiers. What is lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming happens when you're asleep and dreaming, but you're aware that it's a dream. You may even be able to influence the dream's direction, environment, or outcome. Some people can fly, revisit lost loved ones, practice skills, or even explore deep emotional healing, all within their dream world. And like ordinary dreams, where you're just a passenger, lucid dreams let you grab the wheel. And the more you understand it, the more control you can gain. The truth about dream control. The idea of controlling dreams might sound like sci-fi, but science backs it up. Researchers have recorded brainwave activity during lucid dreaming that matches waking awareness, especially in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for logic and self-awareness. In other words, while your body sleeps, a part of your mind is awake. However, there's a spectrum. Not every lucid dreamer becomes an instant superhero. Some simply recognize they're dreaming and float with curiosity. Others train themselves over weeks or months to summon dream powers, teleport, or design entire worlds. Dream control is real, but it takes practice. The more aware you become inside the dream, the more influence you gain. How does lucid dreaming happen naturally? You might be surprised to learn many people have had a lucid dream without even knowing what it was. It might start with a strange moment, a light switch that doesn't work, a familiar face saying something bizarre, or the sudden question, wait, is this real? These moments of questioning reality can spark lucidity. They usually happen during REM sleep, the stage of sleep where dreams are most vivid. Some people even report that lucid dreams tend to occur after waking up and going back to sleep, a practice known as wake back to bed. 5 clues you might already be lucid dreaming. You've questioned reality inside a dream. That moment of doubt could have been the gateway to lucidity. You remember intense dream details. Vivid recall often signals higher awareness during dreams. You notice recurring locations or themes. These familiar elements can help you become aware inside the dream. You've felt emotions stronger than real life. Lucid dreams often carry amplified emotion, fear, joy, or awe. You've taken control, even briefly. Ever chosen to fly or escape something by willpower? That's a form of dream control. Why lucid dreaming matters more than ever. Lucid dreaming isn't just cool, it can be transformative. People use it to overcome nightmares by facing fears consciously, rehearse performances or real-life challenges, tap into creativity, solving problems or composing music, heal emotionally, reconnecting with memories or symbolic figures. Lucid dreaming is a mirror to your subconscious. Inside it, you can explore emotions, rewrite beliefs, and sometimes even find peace where waking life offers none. How to start lucid dreaming even tonight? You don't need special powers, just awareness and consistency. Here are a few proven techniques. Reality checks throughout the day. Ask, am I dreaming? Look at your hands, clocks, or mirrors. If it becomes a habit, you'll eventually do it in a dream and realize the truth. Dream journaling. Write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. Over time, this boosts dream recall and helps you spot patterns that signal dreams. Mild technique. Before sleeping, repeat, I will realize I'm dreaming. Focus your intention as you drift off. Wake back to bed. WBTB. Wake up after 4 to 6 hours of sleep. Stay awake for 15 to 30 minutes, then go back to bed. This increases the chances of lucid dreaming in your next REM cycle. Is lucid dreaming dangerous? A common myth says lucid dreaming is risky or spiritually harmful. The truth: lucid dreaming is safe for most people. You're still asleep, and your body remains in its natural rest state. However, beginners should approach it with patience. Don't obsess or lose sleep trying to force results. Like any skill, whether it's meditation or piano, it improves over time. Some people experience sleep paralysis, a temporary state where the body is awake but can't move. It can be scary, but it's harmless and passes within minutes. Final thoughts: wake up. While you sleep, lucid dreaming opens a portal to a hidden universe, your inner world. In a society that worships productivity and noise, lucid dreaming invites you to go inward, to rediscover wonder, and to play. You already spend a third of your life asleep. Why not use that time to explore, create, and heal? Whether you're seeking control, peace, or just the thrill of flight, lucid dreaming is the key. And here's the twist: you may have already unlocked the door. You just didn't realize you were dreaming. Lucid dreaming isn't just about having cool dreams, it's about unlocking parts of yourself that everyday life keeps hidden. Whether it's healing past trauma, solving problems with a clear mind, or simply experiencing impossible adventures, lucid dreaming can be a powerful gateway into your inner world. So tonight, when you lay your head down, remember this: you are not powerless in your dreams. You are the dreamer, and you are also the creator. Don't wait for your dreams to happen to you. Step inside them consciously, and once you do, you'll never look at sleep the same way again.